Welcome to MotorMav. Today we will talk about the door lock relay location of the Toyota Tundra. The door lock relay on the Toyota Tundra is located in the dashboard on the passenger side. To fix the door lock problems in Toyota Tundra, you need to remove the door panel and locate the problem. So, in this video, the instructions will show you how to access and replace your vehicle's door lock relay. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the hood. First, find the door lock relay on your Toyota Tundra to open the dashboard. Once you have the dashboard open, locate the fuse box. Step 2. Check fuses. In the fuse box, the door lock relay controls the power to the door lock actuators. If it fails, the door lock won't work. In this case, check the fuse. Step 3. Find Toyota Tundra relays. Inside the fuse box, the relay should be labeled with RL and the corresponding number, such as RL1 and RL2. Step 4. Remove and replace relays. Using a small flathead screwdriver, remove the two relays from the relay box. Replace the old relays with the new ones. But remember which relay goes in which spot. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.